Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete friends on Plex application. If you want to delete or unfriend someone on Plex, then the process is quite simple. So let's jump in right into the video. Open your Plex application from your app drawer and also make sure to log into your Plex account by entering your correct credentials. After you are signed into your main account homepage, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left-hand corner. This will then pop up an expanded menu. Simply tap on the Discover button in the menu and then at the bottom of the screen, tap on People. Now, all of the friends that you've added on Plex will be displayed under the My Friends tab. Go ahead and select the person you'd like to remove as a friend and tap on their profile. Now, if you're friends, you'll be able to see this Friends tab. Simply tap on it and then in the pop-up, tap on Yes in order to unfriend the person. Soon after you are done, they will no longer be appearing inside your Friends tab. So that's how you can easily delete a friend on Plex. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.